The city of Fort Wayne refusing to release police video from Mayor Tom Henry's OWI arrest. New tonight, a media law attorney tells us he's not sure the city has the standing to withhold the video. And Indiana's public access counselor says his office is investigating after receiving a number of complaints. Fox 55's Brianna Bias is live in studio to tell us more about the city's reasons for denying our request. Brianna.
Yeah, Kelsey, the city of Fort Wayne says they don't have to release the dashboard and body cam video because they consider it an investigatory record. But I spoke to attorney Steve Key today, and he says since Mayor Henry pleaded guilty, that's the end of the investigation. So he can't think of a reason for them to not release it.
A Fort Wayne police report says Mayor Tom Henry had bloodshot eyes and slurred speech when they questioned him after a wreck Saturday night. A report says he was argumentative but cooperative. But as things stand right now, Fort Wayne residents won't be able to see it for themselves. The city attorney today denied Fox 55's request to release the body cam and dash cam video, declaring it an investigatory record. The city says that allows them to withhold the records if they feel it could interfere with the mayor's ability to receive a fair trial or affect the ongoing investigation.
I don't see where the release normally on an OWI case would impact their ongoing investigation.
Former executive director of the Hoosier State Press Association, Steve Key, says those exceptions don't make sense in this case because Henry already pleaded guilty.
If he's pled guilty, there would not be an ongoing investigation. So I think that would take the reason behind, or the legal reason behind, their ability to deny you access to that record.
Then what is to stop agencies from claiming investigatory record just because the footage makes them look bad?
Well, again, because of the way the language is, they can't do that because they have to show one of these four factors to deny it.
And when Fox 55 asked you on Facebook if you think the footage should be released, we received a resounding yes. Bill Willoughby says anyone else's body cam footage would be released in this situation. The video evidence is just part of the consequences of him making a bad choice. And Judy Schrock-Bender thinks his status as the mayor shouldn't exempt him from having the video released. He's no different from anyone else.
I also reached out to Indiana's public access counselor, Lucas Britt, to hear his thoughts. He says they've received several complaints about this situation, so he's not going to comment until his investigation is complete.
Yeah, Brianna, that sounds like a long process. So is there any way the public can challenge this denial in the meantime?
They can. So Key says if constituents want to see the video, the best thing to do is to go to the Allen Superior Court and then ask them to have the footage released. That way, the burden of proof falls on law enforcement to prove that they don't need to release the footage. And Fox 55 will continue to follow this story and will update you on air and online as we receive more information. Live in studio, I'm Brianna Bias, Fox 55 News.